In a car accident, insurance adjusters want just one thing, to pay you as little as possible. But today, I'm sharing the 10 secrets they don't want you to know that could mean the difference between getting pennies or getting paid what you deserve. I'm attorney Frank Pabst. Stay with me. This could save you thousands. Let's be honest. Insurance companies are businesses. They're not charities. Their goal is to protect their bottom line, and it's certainly not to pay the true value of your claim and to pay for your recovery. I've helped hundreds of accident victims turn the tables, and now I'm here to help you do the same. Let's dive into the strategies that can make or break your claim. Number 1, prompt medical attention. After an accident, always seek medical care immediately, even if you think you're fine. Injuries like whiplash or internal damage can take days to show up, and adjusters love delays because they argue your injuries weren't caused by the accident. Simply put, for adjusters, if you aren't treating, you must not be injured. Number 2, accurate documentation. I know I'm always harping on documentation, but it's true. Documentation is your armor. You must keep detailed records of medical treatments, repair bills, out-of-pocket expenses, lost wages, and every interaction with insurance companies. When you have accurate documentation, it makes it that much harder for adjusters to argue against cold, hard facts. Number 3, avoid recorded statements. Adjusters will ask for a quick statement. Don't do it. They're trained to get you to say something they can use against you. Always consult an attorney before talking to them. Number 4, policy limits. And I think this one is key. Find out about at-fault parties' insurance policy limits. Why? It determines the maximum amount you can recover. Knowing this number puts you in control of negotiations. For example, the state minimum coverage in Texas is a 30/60. That means no one person in an accident can receive more than $30,000, and the total payout for any single accident cannot exceed $60,000. Knowing the at-fault party's insurance limits is vital in seeking appropriate care. Number 5, preserve evidence. Evidence is everything. Take photos of the scene, damages, and your injuries. Get witness contact info, and if possible, dash cam footage. This is your backup when the adjusters try to play games. Number 6, don't settle too quickly. Here's the trap. Adjusters will offer quick cash to make you go away. But if you settle before knowing the full extent of your injuries, you could lose out on thousands for future medical expenses. This is a big one for me. Nothing shows you just how much an insurance company cares about their bottom line rather than doing the right thing. If they cared about you at all, they would wait patiently for you to receive all of the treatment you require for your injuries. Number 7, use demand letters. A demand letter isn't just paperwork. It's a statement that you mean business. It lays out your injuries, expenses, why you deserve full compensation. Adjusters take these seriously, so take the time to do it right and don't forget to include all of your documentation. Number 8, be wary of social media. Thinking about posting about your accident or injuries online? Don't. Adjusters are watching. They will use your posts to downplay your injuries or to shift blame. Stay off social media until your case is closed. We had a client not long ago who was complaining of knee and pain and discomfort in her knee following her accident. We sent her to a pain management professional. She had an MRI, and she saw a physical therapist for several months. When we sent the demand to the insurance company, they denied the claim and provided us with a video from the client's Facebook account where she was in spin classes. Now, let me tell you something. I don't ride a bike very often. I don't watch the Tour de France, but this was a serious spin class our client was in. And the adjuster took the position that if she could be aggressively riding for an hour, how badly could she have hurt her knee? Number 9, consult an attorney. Going solo is risky. A good attorney knows the tricks adjusters use and how to fight back. They handle the stress so you can focus on recovering. Number 10, understand comparative negligence. In Texas, we use a modified comparative negligence model, specifically the 51% bar rule. That means if you are 51% at fault for an accident, you're barred from recovering any damages. Adjusters will try to pin more blame on you. Don't let them. Know your rights and fight back. Look, you've been through enough. Don't let insurance companies take advantage of you. These 10 tips put the power back in your hands. Share this video with someone who needs it and follow me for more strategies to protect your rights and get the justice you deserve.